How to refund your orders on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide. In today's video I'll show you how you can refund on Shein, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you want to refund on Shein, which means you're not satisfied with the product, you want to refund it, first just open the Shein app and log into your account. Once you log into your Shein account, tap on the messaging icon which is at the top left hand side of the screen. As you tap on it, on the next page you'll find these options. Here you want to select the one that says orders. When you go to the orders page, you'll be able to see a list of all the products that you've ordered over here, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find this label that says return item. So just go ahead and then tap on it. Once you tap on return item, over here you have to select the product that you want to return and just check it. Once you do that, you have to select your reason for returning, and as you select your reason for returning, you also want to make sure you've uploaded some of the photos. Photos are requested when applying for return, and once you fill in all those details, you can see reason for return and uploading the photos. Just tap on the next step button which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, on the next page you can see refund method and you can see return method. So if you would like to refund your products, you can select refund method. You have the Shein wallet refund method, which means that it typically takes up to 24 hours to process the refunds back to your Shein wallet. Or if you would like the original payment account method, then that will usually take up to 1 to 5 business days, also depending upon the region you're currently living in. You can select any of the refund method that you would like and tap on the confirm button at the bottom. Or if you want to do it in a return method, then you could select return method. You could go to post office return method or UPS store and tap and confirm at the bottom. Again, tap on the submit button, and once you do that, it may take up to 1 to 5 business days period of time in order to get your refund as well. And that's all it takes to refund orders on Shein. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.